Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Anaconda for Python programming. So quickly let's swing to action. Now first of all you need to get to anaconda.com website. You'll be able to download, and thereafter you'll be able to run the Anaconda application. In case you require to register, there's always an option to either register or skip. Now once you have the app, you can click next. You agree to the terms. Installation type, you can choose just me. So you need to select all these options to ensure that we don't have trouble in the future when we are running our Python programming and install. So this installation will take another few minutes, and usually it will highly rely on the power of your computer. Now that the installation is complete, click next, then finish. So Anaconda is now initializing and adding features, and shortly we'll be able to run our first program. So as soon as the installation is done, we are able to run our program from here by clicking new and then Python 3. And finally we have our window where we can run our first program. So Anaconda is now initializing and adding features, and shortly we'll be able to run our first program. And so as soon as the installation is done, that's how we can install our Anaconda. And you can see we have all these run our program from here by clicking new. You can be able to view, you can be able to insert, you can insert cells above and below. You can also restart. And finally we have our window you can shut down, where we can run these options.